Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the search function for PT clients in Fitbot. So when a PT client comes in for the day, we want to provide a high value of service and give some good guidance on where they're at on certain movements. So for example, this particular day, we're going to use Ellen as an example. She's going to come in to do box squats. And we may not really know what she did last time. So right up here, if you just search under just squat, try and use general terms for the most part, you can see back here she did a wide stance box squat at about 60 across. So that was at 65%, this is at 70, so maybe we go up to 65. So for example, some other things you can do for the search function, so we have deadlifts for that day, and let's pause. She's obviously not going to do 155 pound deadlifts, but if I just search on dead, I can see that right here she did a 75 pound deadlift as a sub for power cleans, and that time it was 30 of them, so maybe she could handle that right here. Before that she had done some deadlifts up here. So this is a great tool to use when you're getting your bearings before a PT client comes in, so because you're going to be giving them suggested weights and it's just a higher value service. So for example, if I had Bill coming in here, and let's just say on the day we were doing pull-ups, I would search in here under just pull, and you can see right here when we did this strength we used a green and a blue band, so maybe next time I'm moving them down to just the green band. And here we used on Fran 2 green bands and 1 blue, so maybe if the workout for the day is something like this, you get a bearing of what they use. So you have to make notes of what they used in the workout during the PT session. It's a higher value service.